Hello everyone, it's me, Candace Michelle, and welcome to my Black Pinups YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a room tour, complete with bathroom and walk-in closet. So I'm going to show you how I've decorated my bedroom, my bathroom, and my walk-in closet, which isn't really decorated, but you'll get a chance to see it. So it's complete with antiques, and I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get into it.
So here's my bathroom. This is my 1960s handheld blow dryer. It works. It's awesome. And here's Audrey Hepburn reference that I got at Walmart years ago. Exercise. I thought you said accessorize. And I found this trash can vintage style at home, as well as the toilet brush in the back that's black. And there's my Jergens cold cream, my little hat. For my toothbrush, my vintage mirror, and of course Pinup for the plug. And there's Frank Sinatra cleaning himself. And here is my shower curtain, and there's Norma Jean Baker next to Norma Jean Baker. All polka dots, I love it. Goes with my pink mats that I bought, as well as more Marilyn. Now Norma Jean. And then there's me. The photo shoot I did with Minnie Jones in June 2016. And another light switch played with Pinup model. And there's me again. I like it. And here's my closet, my small walk-in closet. All the purses, like 90% of them, are all from Bad Granny's. There are a few that are from Starstruck Clothing and Besame, as you can see there. But the rest are from Bad Granny's. As you can see, my high heel frame picture. This is my hat collection. These are my pants and see some petticoats. But yeah, this is what my closet shelf looks like for my purses. These are my dresses. I wear a lot of dresses. And more hats and my shoes. Most of my shoes are covered, so you can see all of them. And I found this in North Hollywood. Someone was going to throw it away, so I took it. I thought it was really beautiful. And more pink carpet, or pink rugs, mats, whatever you want to call them. This is my vintage table. That's my vintage lamp that I got from Rent Gallery. It's really beautiful. And this is my headboard. I redid it with rhinestone. And took out the tufted buttons, cloth buttons, and replaced them. And my bed is red and gold, like Besame. This is my 1940s dresser chest of drawers that I recently purchased. It was only $100, and I love it. And this, of course, holds my perfumes. It's a painting, not a painting, but a sunset. And there's me. Also, the jewelry box is vintage, 1950s. Go figure. And my hair flowers. That little vanity stool is from Bad Granny's. Vanity is from, of course, an antique store. I did all the decorations. I just wrapped the garland in lights and pink and white roses. As you can see, I have a crazy obsession with Besame Cosmetics. That little orange coral is from Bad Granny's as well. But yes, we're Besame. I told you I have an obsession, and they know me by name. These are all the collections that I have from them that they've come out with. I have all their rouges, all their lipsticks, all their blushes. What else do I have? Of course, all their lipsticks and everything that they came out with. This is crystal. I have clear quartz. And this drawer is for my headscarves that I have. That light pink one is from the 50s. And as well as many of my scarves. And these are where I keep my gloves. I was gifted that little holder that has white gloves in it. I love it. Yeah, this is what's in my vanity drawers. And for this one, oh look, hair flowers. Pinup holders for my curling irons. A lot of this is from, this is like my hair dresser, brushes and combs, but a lot of this is from Lady Luck and Suavecito. And that's where I keep my nails. And that's my trash can, this trash can that matches my vintage pamper from the 1950s. I love it. Also from Decades Revisited. And there you go.
So that was my room tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of as you know, a lot of the antiques that I get are from Bad Grannies. So I just love the place in Decades Revisited. So if you're ever in Oklahoma, make sure you go to their stores and shop to your heart's content in Oklahoma City. So I hope you liked that video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Black Pinups, and Instagram, Black Pinups Magazine. So I hope you enjoy it and have a great day.